go, do you?
Right, I'm shutting off over here first, boss.
Okay, boss.
So that's dead.
Right.
And then fucking plugging it in the air.
Right. Oh, yeah, I don't plug anything else that's connected to this wire. Like that. And that. Can we unplug that? Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
And
Fucking hell. Right, now then, turn them on.
are you ready?
Yes, go.
Oh, you standing over here?
I'm not, I'm standing here next to you.
That's on.
Let's power on.
Go on and see it work.
Right, so, forward direction, that one comes in.
Right, that
So
works.
forward is that way.
Beautiful, right direction.
Reverse is that one. Well, we've got a buzzy contactor there, so that might need replacing at some stage. Alright?
Where's the buzzer from? In there.
In there, yeah. Have to replace the contactor. But it works.
No smoke.
Now what we need to do is check that we have got 240 coming out. So we go to volts and we check these connections. These are now the outputs from these. So this one here is the forward. That wire is the forward, right? And this one here.
Still on, man. You know that, don't you?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, I just see now, immune you out the pain. It didn't hurt, mister.
Now we should have power. That's going to that, so we should have power coming out here. Well, that's not a lot of use, is it? Let's check what we've got coming in first. 1.7 volts. Oh, DC. That's not quite right, is it?
Okay, DC.
Okay, TC. Now we should have that's better.
Right.
230. So we've got 230 there. So on one of these we should have 230.
It's Christmas, we got 2 tickies.
We've got 230 there. Yes, we've got 230 on this one. Right. So now in theory, according to me, or according to the laws of science, there should be 230 there. But we ain't got 230 there. This is the part that does not compute.
It does not compute well, Robertson.
So what we'll do is we'll turn that off a second. You should have one or the other. Right, we're getting one or the other. But how we're getting it is quite amazing. That's not right. Well, that is working correctly. How the hell is that happening? I think it's to prevent this one from running while this one is running, which makes sense. I don't want there to be any connection between the two relays, you know, just in case your switch goes or something. And
You even got fucking red.
no, it's brown now, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Fucking proves how long ago it was.
Oh, fucking brown now.
No, I think we didn't have any wires. I think them wires come from my house. I think. Along.
Along. That's good. That's what we want. One root neutral to run them all, and in the darkness bind them.
They have fucking ways of making me burn.
Yes. Is that why it's
They've seen me burn myself with welding and all sorts, and now they're going to see me burn myself with electricity. As James Cagney said.
Electricity.
Yeah. Is that what he said when he got electrocuted?
Yes. That's one. Ooh, ah.
You know, there's some people says they think I'm crazy. Well, I just can't understand the fucking logic, you know.
That's because you're like a bunch of animals.
No, that's because life is like a box of chocolates.
I'm doing this live again. That's a very silly thing to be doing.
Yeah, we was fucking waiting. The people out there was waiting. The people could see the plug was in and saying, "Come on, Rob, you got him, you got him."
You're waiting for my hat to be lifted off my head by my stiffened hair, are you?
Oh, yeah, it's a bit that than mine, isn't it?
My electrocuted hat. Shut up.
What's going on here then? I might get another hat out of this. Dead or alive.
Just go across my house and say to my missus, Martin's got a load of tools of mine.
Excuse me,
I want him back. Now he's dead.
You're not laughing, no man, you can find me.
Right, now comes the fun part.
Bagum.
Ohmix. We want to go to ohmix. No, not megohms, ohms. Thank you. That's.
There's no place like ohms. So we're gonna have two wires coming at here to the motor. Or one to the capacitor and one to the motor.
Well, there'll be two wires coming out. This is only for the capacitor, the supply to the capacitor.
Right.
Because according to your doobries, you only change the direction of the capacitor, right?
My fucking doobries.
Your doobries, yeah, your internets.
We'll be talking about fucking spondoolies. Pretty.
What other colour have I got there? I've got an amber here.
You've got a set of traffic lights.
I've got a set of traffic lights, yeah. That's right, mister.
Stop,
So,
don't work. Okay, go.
if we go for the amber and the green, right, the red is generally power on. So we won't worry about that one until you drill a hole, alright?
If you put them in there, bottom out.
Those ones there.
I think they're too fucking short, alright?
No, they're not.
I think they are.
Oh, they're not.
Oh, for the wrong place, don't start that.
There we are, look, see, there's fucking thread there, look. The spread.
A quarter.
It's not, what you'd call actually very secure, is it?
No. You wouldn't get my vote.
What do you mean I wouldn't get? You're the one supplying the screws, not me.
Yeah, I said fucking drill it.
Okay, take it off then, and have you got a drill?
I don't know about that bit, but... Right, where do you want the other lad? Where it was?
Yeah.
You don't want the other one where it was, because it's probably not where it was.
Yes, that's those two
They
located, yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay, monsieur, we'll try again. Ooh!
Ooh.
That's done it now, boy. Now we're Christmas cricket.
Pair of fucking players we want in.
Everything's going tits up for you and me today.
You're fucking tapping it now. I hate this man. I wish he would die. What sort of freaking attitude is that, innit? What have I done to deserve that? Negative people, man. This world is full of negatives. But here is a positive!
Wire in.
The wires
Tighten up. Right, turn it on again. Let's see what happens.
You fucking let go first.
I got chills, they're multiplying, and I'm losing control. It's the power that you're supplying. It's a negative riff in. You better shake up, boom, boom, boom.
Manual library. Right, let's turn this back on now. That motor relay should now click in. There we are, it's clicked in.
Both of them did, eh?
Yeah, so really we've got this one in. Right, in with that one. Okay. This one is a neutral, going through this controller. So there will be a neutral going there.
Very interesting.
This door, how does it hang? It hangs like that, does it?
No, not that.
Right, so it's hanging like that. So where do you normally stand? This side, is it?
Yeah.
So I would put the stop button there, so it's easy for you to bash with your knee and the start, and then we're ready to go. We'll connect it up to the motor, and we'll see how we get on.
It's maybe one in 40 times you gotta walk back in it.
Yeah.
Just the way you press it, like it knows if you're doing a rush job, it'll fucking blow the fuses.
Yeah. You can always write it on there then, can't you? F and R.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
so you know where you're going. It's all clever until somebody gets killed.
Yeah.
Plus the fact, I mean, it's not exactly as if you're on fucking death's door for it, is it?
No,
It still fucking runs.
I got work waiting for it, but that's no
It's a
rush.
question of getting the reversing side of it going,
I'm in no rush.
which we shall do. It may not be today, it may not be tomorrow, but it will be soon. Fucking, where did I get that from? Casablanca.
Sounded like
Didn't sound anything like fucking Humphrey Bogart, did it?
no, you one same error.
Sydney Greenstreet.
No.
That little lurch.
Grant. Is it?
Hugh Grant.
Gregory?
Oh, Gregory Peck.
No, the other one.
Cary Grant.
Cary Grant.
Cary Grant. That's pop. All they can do
In
now.
every fucking film.
All they can do now is throw themselves through fucking false plate glass windows and fucking shoot imaginary fucking guns. You know, that's about all they're fit for, mate.
They can't. They
my
can't
screwdriver.
tow the fucking boat down a fucking swamp, can they?
No. I'd like to see them pull a fucking boat down the swamp.
It's all fucking green screen anyway, so.
Yeah.
I honestly don't know what's happening here.
I tried it in reverse, it wouldn't budge. Yes. Right, so that's going one way. That's going that way. Okay, so we know that works. That's good. Is that the one? Is that the way it normally spins, Rob? Do you have any idea? No. Well, we know that's going anti-clockwise. So let's shut him off. Now,
Who the fuck's Andy?
we've got to swap these two wires over now. Let's just swap them straight in that terminal there. Let's drop that out. Right, here we go. Put it the other way.
More than that, maybe. I didn't touch it. No.
So that's fine. We just got to figure out how to wire it safely. Well, basically what I've done is I've reversed the polarity on that.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Right, so that's got the capacitor and one of the windings connected in it.
Yeah.
Right? This is how I said to you this morning that I'm not sure if I can make it work, but So obviously the capacitor's not working for some reason.
On the one way, on the one. Or do you think they work on the one way and not on the other way?
Well, let's reverse it back and try it. But you had to flip it to start, didn't you, still?
Not on that one, no.
Not on that one?
No.
Right, so that's the right way then. Okay, let's shut it off. Certainly runs on, doesn't it?
See, when you switched it the other way, it did move like that. So, as if it was trying to,
But didn't kick off.
yeah.
Okay then, let's swap them back again. Perhaps the capacitor wasn't charged. You never know.
Oh, yeah, yeah, I see what you mean.
It's going the other way now, is it? Okay.
So can these two wires here, you just alter back and forth, can I just go in it like that switch? You put the red wire here, the blue one there, green, yellow, shaking all about. So all you gotta do really is change these two with these two. And it'll work perfectly.
Right.
So all you gotta do is change these two now, rather than change that end.
No, I've got to get that capacitor connected to this set of wiring, I think. Touching it with my hands.
Anyway, I've done this bit.
Turning on.
I say, assistant, could you stop that for me? That's what?
Yes, sir, Master Boss.
That's anti-clock.
That was anti-clock. It just bloody worked.
Give it a kick. Oh, yeah, fucking piece of shite. You rattled, I went the right fucking same way. He'd had to think about it and said, fuck it, I'm going to go the easiest route.
There you go. Bastard. That's fucking weird, isn't it? I don't know what that is all about, mate. I bet you if I flick it, it'll go the other way.
Yeah. Yeah.
How incredible's that?
It's just giving it a little nudge to tell it which way to go, innit?
Yeah.
There's a little fella in there. No, that's going the other way. That's anti-clock now, which is going the other way just now.
I don't know what it is then, Rob. It's telling it to do the right things.
Yeah. But it's giving you an attitude.
I think this capacitor's the problem. Possibly.